Hey guys, it's me again. Today I'm actually giving you guys a really cool video. It's about, just guess. It's about slime. This one is actually the one that I just made today. I call it Christmas tree slime because it looks like it has ornaments, as you can see. It's like little gold beads. Today I will be showing you my slime collection, yes. It's supposed to be float. I'm just making like flirting sounds. Oh my gosh. That's so embarrassing. I'm so sorry, guys. But, yes. I will be showing you guys my slime. My nails. Dude, I just made this black slime today. And it's like my little sister put way too much. I am so sorry. That was my fault. Don't blame the camera or my device that I'm using. It's my fault because I accidentally knocked it over because I moved something behind it. But I'm also going to be making slime. Yes. Here's my bowl that I'm going to be using. My paint. My beads. And then I still haven't picked out any sparkles. So I will be doing that. But not right now. Here's my glue, and I will be using this one too. As you can see, I've already used most of my glue in this one, but I haven't been too crazy.